If you want to build an HR-driven provisioning solution for your hybrid Active Directory, this video training series will show you how. Many organizations are moving much of their identity and security functionality to the cloud, to Azure AD, and quite right too, but still have Active Directory on premises and a legacy HR solution. We show you how to automate the join and move a leaver cycle using Microsoft Identity Manager and Azure AD Connect. Now, we have full training courses for both of those products, but what we've done here is to boil it all down to one simple configuration with some options, few frills, and no heavy lifting. We explain, we demo, and we enable you to enable your Azure AD Connect using HR-driven provisioning and hybrid identity.